Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is John. Or you're just scrolling through YouTube and then you found my video. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel and thanks for stopping by to actually watch through the end of this video. So today I want to share a brief product review about one of my friend. Recently I got a notification, a reminder on my Facebook timeline from a friend of mine, Cynthia Benitez. Yes, she was actually going to make a product launch, and the product is all about, a case study of how she makes, over $100 every single day without, spending a dime. Yes, in fact, she said with zero busters, my customers can learn how to start a business with $0. Yes, with $0, that without spending a penny, that you can, actually go ahead and build a business with our strategy, with our own case study. So all you need to do is you're going to get access to pick up our training, our case study, our training course, and then you go get inside, you pick up a training, you read, you watch this the video training, and then you take action on the video training. What you learn is what you're going to take action on, and then before you can begin to get results. Now, one thing I want to say about this course is that I know this lady very well, Cynthia Benitez. She's gone a lot of, and she's gone through a lot of hard work, before she got to where she is right now. I can say she's a motivator. She inspires. She has a lot of energy, and she's always ready to support and make people succeed online. So I wanted to go ahead and check out this course, and I'm going to drop a link. You're going to find a link at the just under this video in the description section. You're going to see a link to pick up this training from Cynthia Benitez. So my name is John Olore. If you're just new to my channel, you can connect with me on Facebook right here. Just search my name, John Olore. So I create products on WordPlus. I launch products and also help vendors promote their own products while I earn affiliate commissions just as I'm reviewing a product for you right here. So let me head over to the to Cynthia's course right away, so you can see this is our page. If you click on the link under this video, it's going to bring you right to this place where you can pick up a course called Zero Buster, and it's going to show you how Cynthia builds an online business for free, and it takes only just 30 seconds for her to be to actually get traction and start making money from this method you're going to get inside our course. Yes, she's making money from this, so you can be sure that you also are going to get returns on it. But one thing is, you can get instant results immediately. That's for sure. This is not a rob Peter and then you rob Peter to pay Paul system. No, this is a real system that's going to help you set up an online business that will make you profitable consistently every single day. And the fact is, this method Cynthia is going to reveal to you does not involve you paying for advertisements, and there is no any investment involved. There's no BS. It's something that you can do. If you're a newbie, you can do this, and you can set it up once and for all, and begins to work for you on autopilot 24/7. So if you're looking for a system that's going to make you money, a system that's going to be very easy for you, to start an online business and start having a profitable online business, then this is what you need to pick up right now. Just pick up Cynthia Benitez training videos. It's quality training videos, and she's going to hold you by the hand step by step without holding anything back on how you can get started using a method as a case study, and then you can build on that to build your own online business while making profits every single day. She earns about $100 every day doing this, but I think as a starter, maybe in less than a week, 2 weeks, you can start making as much as $20, $50, and then you perfect the system, you understand how it works, and then you start making $100 using this system. And one thing I want to know about this, you can see she actually has proof on. You can see these are some of our results from PayPal. PayPal payment. So you can see once you start this and begin to make money with this, you get your earnings direct straight into your PayPal account. So you can see she's actually doing this without building an email list. So if you are scared, I need to build an email list again, I need to manage email lists, I don't know how to mail my customers, I don't know how to build relationship with my subscribers, this does not involve an email list, and it does not even involve you making videos. If you're the kind of guy who is shy, you don't want to speak on video, you don't want to record a video, you don't have time for that, you don't have to make videos, and you are not creating products, no technical skills involved. Everything is very easy and simple for you to do. So just go ahead and click on the link under this video. You get access to Zero Buster that's going to show you how to build an online business without spending a penny, without spending a cent, and then you get access to a step-by-step case study on how Cynthia does it and how she makes an average of $100 every single day. So go ahead, there's a link under this video, click on that link. It's going to bring you over to this sales page right here, and then you can scroll over and read it. Yes, take time as well to read the page and see if this is what you're okay with, because this system, I can guarantee you, is what it is as it is on the sales page. You don't have to build an email list, no email marketing is involved, no creating of videos, no creating of products. It's something you can pick up today, learn the process, how it works, and then you can position yourself to start making profit. And you can see she's added a lot of bonus for you, affiliate marketing cost bonus, and then the secret method of building your list super fast and free. You're going to get an amazing video software that will going to help you create profitable video sites in 3 simple steps, and then a freebie page for you, to get a page full of free products and course for you to use and grow your business. And you can see this product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if after your purchase you're not okay with the products, this takes away the risk off your shoulder. So go ahead and check this out, pick this up and check it out, why it's extremely cheap today. So go ahead and check what's inside, and then you understand what's inside there for you and how you can start earning as much as $100 every single day while building your own online business. So once you click under this, check under this video, you're going to see a link there to pick up Zero Buster. Click on the link, then it's going to bring you to this page right here. Ensure to read the sales page very well, understand what you're actually going for. This is not an email marketing course, this is not a product launching course, this is not a traffic course, this is not a course on dropshipping or blogging. No, this is a course that's going to show you how Cynthia Benitez makes $100 every single day, just doing something that you can start without spending a dime. So I don't think it's I think it's a good deal for you to just go ahead and pick it up for a small price. It's even less than $10. If you click on the payment button right here, it's going to take you to the checkout page, and you can see this is the checkout page. You can see it's just, you can pay with your card or you can pay with your PayPal account, and you can see it's just less than $9. So go ahead and pick up Zero Buster. It's something you're going to find so interesting and a very good investment. So thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have any question for me, you can ask in the comment section. I'm going to try as much as possible to reply you on time, or you can reach out to me on Facebook and then you ask me question over there. You can connect with me on Facebook, add me up on Facebook, let's connect together, and then I'm so glad to to meet up with you. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is John Anavi. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please go ahead. There's a red button under this video. Click on that subscribe button. It's red in color. Click on the subscribe button, and then you get my upcoming value videos, value trainings, and value tips and strategies to build an online business, to build a profitable online business. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi. Remember to pick up Zero Buster from Cynthia Benitez. This is something that you need that's going to help you make success online and start an online business without investing a penny. And then on top of that, you get step-by-step video case study showing you how Cynthia Benitez does this and how you too can get started and position yourself to make profits just as she does. So thank you for watching to the end. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye-bye.